Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Scorpios, we are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards here. We have Page of Pentacles, the Tower in reverse, and Five of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, Scorpios, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. There are some changes happening, guys. You are trying hard, maybe you are working hard, struggling really hard, doing your best, trying your best, maybe. So, in your work or in your relationship, you are putting in everything, your efforts, your skills and talents, but however hard you are trying, you are not seeing changes in your situation, guys. So you are putting in a lot of efforts and it is really stressing you. It is causing a lot of anxiety, and in your situation, certain things are happening that is beyond your control, guys. Maybe in your relationship, in this love, you are expecting certain things and this person is expecting certain things. So maybe there are some misunderstandings in this love. So you may not share a great compatibility with this person, and though you are making a lot of efforts, struggling to make this person understand your point of view or make them understand your heart, this person does not see the truth as it is. So there are some inevitable changes happening in this relationship because of misunderstanding or some kind of that lack of compatibility you both share, guys. And also in this relationship, there is some kind of a news reaching you. It may be in your relationship or it may be in your work situation, guys. So you have put in everything, you are working hard, but still certain things are happening, and upon that you are getting some kind of a news. For most of you, it may be a positive news, something which takes you out of this difficult situation, guys. But for some of you, I see a negative news, guys. Something you have been resisting, and however hard you are resisting, trying to avoid certain circumstance or certain things in this love, you are unable to overcome, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We will know what it is, whether it is a positive news or a negative news. So looks like it is a positive news, guys. Scorpios, you need not worry. So things are going to fall into place. Maybe this person has come up with something, or they have understood your efforts and they are ready for a deep commitment with you, maybe, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, Scorpios, certain things are happening that cannot be expected, something beyond your expectations, something giving you the feeling that you should not have taken that step or gone for that a decision. So something beyond your expectation, and maybe you trusted certain people and they have proved that they cannot be relied on. So some kind of stress because of that in your work situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys. So there may be some inevitable changes in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance, trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice, maybe for someone you love, and you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day-to-day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe if you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for y'all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.